Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Yesterday, on the 15th of April 2021, Microsoft released the latest stable version of the Microsoft Edge web browser, and that is Microsoft Edge version 90. So this means we have gone from version 89 to version 90 in this latest release. So also now, just like the other Chromium-based web browsers like Brave and Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge now has also been updated this last week. Now there are several new features and improvements in Edge version 90, and I will try my best to cover those for you in this video today. Now the first big new feature is Edge now has a kids mode, and when you enable kids mode, it basically makes web browsing and the online experience a lot safer for your children. Now Microsoft says that there are two options in kids mode. The first is for ages 5 to 8 years, and the second is for age groups 9 to 12 years. Now to get to the kids mode and enable it, you just head over to your profile picture in the top right, and here is where you will find kids mode. Now you will see that I don't have it in the drop down menu, and that is because it is not yet available in all areas and regions of the world. So if you're like me and you don't see it in the drop down menu, I'm sure that we will be getting it in the not too distant future. Now, apparently, when kids mode is enabled, Microsoft Edge will automatically switch to the Bing Safe Search, and this is to ensure that when your children are doing online searches, that the contents of those searches will remain user-friendly and appropriate for your children. And in kids mode, you can also customize the browser themes, and these themes in kids mode will be geared and tailored towards your children as well. Now another update worth mentioning is a security update, and Microsoft Edge 90 can now prevent token theft attacks and ensure that cookies cannot be reused. So that is always good to know. And some other new features and improvements worth mentioning is that the downloads now has a fly out drop down menu. So I think this is a nice little addition and will just make the user experience a little bit better. And if you don't see the downloads button, you can go to your three-dotted menu, go down to settings, appearance, and here you will see show downloads button, and you can just enable it there. So I think the downloads fly out drop down menu is a nice little add-on to the Edge browser. And now another feature that has been updated is the PDF printing. And previously in Microsoft Edge, if you were printing a PDF document, you could not print the current page. So if we head over to a PDF document and we go to print, in Microsoft Edge 90, you now have the option to print the current page, whereas before you had to print all of the pages. And some new options also introduced to the PDF printing in Microsoft Edge is now you can fit to page, the paper size, and the actual size. So I think that will just make PDF printing in Microsoft Edge a lot more user-friendly as well. And then if we head over to our profile picture again, and we go Manage Profile Settings, and we click on Passwords. This is the built-in password manager in Microsoft Edge, and this is where all your passwords and logins are stored in the Edge browser. And with Edge 90, you can now delete multiple saved passwords with a single click. So I think that is also headed in the right direction. Now, another update worth mentioning is Microsoft Edge 90 also comes now with an improved font rendering system that will reduce the blurriness and basically give you a better quality and clarity on certain websites. And the last one is Microsoft Edge 90 now lets you search both the local and synced browsing history, where before it your history search feature was restricted to your local data. So this is also good to know, and a nice step forward that your synced data across your devices, you can now, Edge 90 now lets you search both your local and synced browsing history. Now, if you'd like to see if you have the latest version of Microsoft Edge 90, you just head over to the three-dotted menu, go down to Help and Feedback, and click on About Microsoft Edge. And if it hasn't done so already, this will update you to the latest version of Microsoft Edge. Now you'll see I'm getting an error, and this is why this video was late today. I wanted to get it out much earlier, but I couldn't update to the latest version. I did get a gap where it did update, but I see the error is back, and this is because I think there is an overload on the Microsoft servers at present. So I'm sure if you receive this error, that just be patient, wait a few hours, or just give it a day, and I'm sure this will return to normal again. So the latest version of Microsoft Edge is version 90.0.818.39. I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.